Divisibility quiz. Today we are going to solve some interesting math based on divisibility. Let's start. Here is our question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are based on divisibility. First one is 294 divisible by 7. So first we have to know the rule of divisible. The divisibility rule for 7 involves doubling the last digit and subtracting it from the rest of the number. If the result is divisible by 7, then the original number is also divisible by 7. So first we have to doubling, okay, doubling the last digit. So what is the last digit? 294, last digit is 4, so we will doubling. So 4 times 2, it will become 8, okay, and subtracting it from the rest of the number. So rest of the number is 29. So we will subtracting 29 minus 8 equals to 21, okay. If the result is divisible by 7, then the original number is also divisible by 7. So 21 divide 7, the result is 3. It means no remainder, okay. Therefore we can say yes, 294 can divisible by 7, okay. Very simple. Next question is 4736 divisible by 8. So what is the theory? The divisibility rule of 8 states that if the last 3 digits of a given number are zeros, or if the number formed by the last 3 digits divisible by 8, then such a number is divisible by 8. So here is two conditions. First one, the divisibility rule of 8, which is last 3 digits of a given number are 0. So here is no 0, so no need to think about. Now divisible by 8, such a number is divisible by 8 if 3 digits is divisible by 8. So 3 digit is 637. So 7, 3, 6, we can try to make division by 8. So 9 times 8 is a 72. Then 3 minus 2 is a 1, and here is 6. 8 times 2 is a 16. So here is no remainder. So 4736 can divisible by 8, okay. Next question is 3615 divisible by 5. We can write directly yes. Why? A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit 0 or 5, okay. So here last digit is 5, so we can divide by 5. Is 246 divisible by 2 and 3? 2 we can confirm. How? Look, we know if the unit digit is even, look, this 6 is a even. So if unit digit even, we can divide it by 2. So answer 2 is okay. Then how about 3? We know here is 2, 4, 6. Once we make addition each other, and the result, if divided by 3 and there is no remainder, then that number can divisible by 3. Look, 2 plus 4 plus 6 is a 12. This 12 we can divide it by 3 because answer will be 4, no fraction. So it also divisible by 3. So we can say 246 can divisible by 2 and 3. So this is yes. Next one is 1008. It means 1008 divisible by 4 and 8. First we have to know the rules of 4. 4, if last 2 digit, it means here is 0 and 8. If last 2 digit can divisible by 4, then whole number can be divisible by 4. Also, if last 2 digit 0 0, then that number also can be divisible by 4. So look, here is 0 8. 0 8 we can divide by 4, right? So 1008 can divisible by 4. What about 8? If last 3 digit, one digit ones, digit tens, and this is 1000. Okay, if last 3 digit divisible by 8, then all the number can be divisible by 8. So here last 3 digit is 0 0 8. We can divide by 8, right? So 1008 also divisible by 8. Okay, so this is very simple. I hope everything is clear, you understand everything. This video we are trying to discuss 2, 3, 4, 5, then 8. Okay, these types of number we are trying to discuss because divisibility is very important part of mathematics. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you. Thank you.